In our Trader Talk today, I am joined by Tim Bigham of Options Insider, and we're coming off the big Apple earnings last night. So what do you think here? Will that give some direction to the market today?
Yeah, I think, the reaction to Apple will certainly provide either ultimately a breakout or a breakdown here. Market kind of a big inflection point, whether we break out to new heights into a normally kind of weak seasonal period here. So Apple being the biggest of the bigs certainly will be the leader going forward.
And then tomorrow, Tesla reports in. Would you put a trade on Tesla ahead of earnings?
Yeah, I'm actually kind of, unless Tesla has a huge blowout number, I think the huge rally we've seen in Tesla sets up for a short call spread. So I'm guardedly bearish here. I think Tesla has gotten way ahead of itself. Certainly valuation metrics can't be used here. More technicals. I think the price action we saw yesterday kind of hinted at the fact that it may be running into a little bit of problems heading higher, given the fact we're up about 5 and we're trading lower most of the day.
Taking a look at the broader picture, we still have that low VIX.
Lower than low, uber low. We saw a 9 handle on it a couple days ago, certainly around 10. Option prices are extremely cheap here. Normally that complacency is a sign of the top in the market as well, so I'm buying some puts as protection for the portfolio, also as an outright trade.
And we could have a couple of other market movers, of course, that traders will be watching. The Fed announcement comes out today, the French election coming up. So what do you think about those two events?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the Fed kind of being discounted, and maybe, might want to be looking a little more closely at that, see the language there. Let's not forget, too, Alitalia filed for bankruptcy, Greece kind of bubbling to the surface. So European concerns, I think, are looming in the background. So I don't think the VIX at 10 is really, reflective of what the issues are worldwide. I kind of like buying the VIX here, looking for maybe a pullback somewhere along the way in the market.
That has been unbelievable. Even with North Korea, you toss that in, and still the VIX is like...
Who cares? A shrug, but in hindsight, always a good time maybe to be a little more worried. Warren Buffett's line, be fearful when others are greedy.
I like that. Thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you.